Doctor, using a new software usually means changing the way you work. What if there was a software that changed itself to adjust to your style of working? Nadi Tarangini's new age patient management software is made specifically for Ayurvedic practitioners. It saves you time and money, helps you manage your practice more efficiently. With 10 predefined forms to choose from, you can start recording patient information easily. The design form feature gives you complete freedom to record patient information just the way you want. Edit, add, or reorder patient details to be captured. You will now see how this feature works. Click on the patient name and select New Visit. If you click on the diabetes form, you can see the various fields. You can remove 𝐸𝐴 and BP fields and add a new field called blood pressure. You will now see how to modify the manual Nadi keywords. Go to Design Form and click on Edit Details. Select the diabetes form. Click on Edit to see all the available fields. The ones that are checked represent the fields currently selected or visible in the form. To add an existing field to the form, simply check it. For example, to add marital status, just check it. To remove a field from the form, uncheck it. For example, uncheck job timings and 𝐓𝐚𝐽 job to remove them. Click on Save. Click on Add New Detail on Design Form. Add blood pressure and select the type. Example, text or drop-down. Select the category under which it appears. Example, medical information. Click on Save. Go back to Edit. Click on Medical Information. Check the blood pressure field and save it. If you go back to same patient and select New Visit and the diabetes form, you will see that marital status and blood pressure has been added, whereas job has been removed. If you want the blood pressure field to appear on the top, simply click on Reorder Detail. Select the diabetes form. Select blood pressure and drag it and drop it after Chief complains. You will get a message showing that the reordering has been successfully done. If you go to the same patient, click on New Visit and diabetes form, you can see that blood pressure now appears at the top. To change the manual Nadi keywords, click on Design Form. Select Keywords. Click on the diabetes form. Uncheck the ones that you don't want. You can also add a new keyword by clicking on Add New option. Save your changes. If you go back to the same patient and select the diabetes form and manual Nadi, you will see that the changes are reflected. Nadi Tarangini patient management software does much more than just store records. Its patient dashboard lets you compare treatment plans and cross-refer the records of patients with similar symptoms and complaints. The first is patient's progress. On selecting a particular patient, you can see at a glance whatever information you have entered in each visit. Next is the patient's report. Choose a patient. Select one or all visit dates, and you can see the relevant reports for those visits. Print it out for filing or sharing with the patient. You can also compare various patients' information and treatment plans through the Compare Patients feature. Choose the patient names and the visit dates, and click on Display to compare their information. You can also export all the patient data online in an Excel format for easy reference. The Excel sheet shows patient details, patient queries, and appointment diary in 3 separate worksheets. You can set email-based reminders for your patients and schedule patients using the appointment management system. You can easily answer your patients' questions online with the Patient Queries feature. If you click on Patient Queries, you will be able to see any pending queries from a patient, which you can choose to answer. Appointment Diary allows you to add or approve appointments. When you click on Appointment Diary, you will be able to see a list of pending requests from patients, which you can approve or reject. Once you approve it, it gets added in your diary. You can add a new appointment by selecting the patient name, description, and timing. Using the software, you can effortlessly manage so many things that you currently need to keep track of manually, like inventory and medicinal formulations. Enter it once and you don't need to worry about it again. Clicking on Medical Inventory displays details of whatever medicines you currently have in stock and their quantity. You can add a new medicine, company, puri, or an ingredient. To add a new medicine, click on Add Medicine. You can add a new churna. You can also set a reminder to reorder when that medicine hits a minimum quantity. Once you click on Add and go back to current stock, you will see that the medicine has been added. You can add a new company. You can also define a new puri along with ingredients easily. To add a new ingredient, click on Add Ingredient. Enter the details and click on Add. When you click on Add Puri, you will see that the added ingredient is now displayed on your list. Add a new puri by writing the puri name, selecting the relevant ingredients and quantity. After clicking on Add, you will see the new puri displayed in the list. Every time you add a new patient, a login is automatically created for the patient as well, but you have control over what to share or not share. Enable the Share with Patient function to share a comprehensive visit report with your patient via email or printout. Still have a doubt? Please log into our website www.naditarangini.com. Call our technical support.